In this section of personal finance, we're going to be discussing the job application. The application is the first impression an employer has of you. It will often make the crucial difference in whether or not an employer will interview you for your job. For instance, your application is an introduction to you. The employer will not call you in for an interview if your application is not properly completed. Here's some hints for completing a job application. Applications should be typed or printed in pen. Use only blue or black ink. Avoid using abbreviations. And you should only apply for one position. Be sure to sign and date your application. Use care in sentence structure, spelling, and punctuation. Don't be sloppy. Fill in all the blanks. If they do not apply, put a dash mark or N/A, which means not applicable. Be specific and complete as possible with regard to the work experience section. List exact duties, skills, responsibilities, machines, and equipment that you have operated. Be prepared with an identification card, such as Social Security number, driver's license, addresses, phone numbers, that type of thing, to show you are who you are. If you're asked, you should include a list of activities, interests, or hobbies which might have some connection with your job goal. And be sure to list correct phone numbers where you can readily be reached. Before going in to complete the job application, you should create a master application. It's already completed and you keep it with you permanently. And you have items checked or rechecked for accuracy, correct addresses, spelling, information about previous employment, that type of thing. It's much easier to complete a well-written application if you don't have to recreate the material every time you complete the application. If they allow you to, pick up 2 copies of the application. Use one as a rough draft and then neatly print or type on the final copy. Keep a copy of each application if possible that you turn in. It will come in handy if an employer happens to lose or misplace the original. That sometimes does happen. And remember, all that is left of you when you leave an office that you are applying is the application. How it looks represents you. Good luck in the job search.